Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x divided by x plus x plus x plus x is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem, and here first you see that this x is multiplied by 4 times, so we write it as x to the power of 4 divided by, in the same pattern you see in the denominator side, and you see that x is added by 4 times, so we write it as 4 times of x, and this is equals to 4. And now further in the next step, here our target is to get the values of x. And now we move the term 4x from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get x to the power of 4 is equals to, this is 4 multiplied by 4 times of x. And now in the next step we have, so here we focus into the right hand side, and it will be written as x to the power of 4 is equals to, this is 4 times 4 becomes 16 times of x. And now we move the term from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get x to the power of 4 minus 16x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see that both of these two terms involve x, so that we will be take common x from here, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get x cubed minus, from here we get 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we need more simplifications, and we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x cubed minus 16 is equals to 0. So from here you see that this is the first real root of the given equation. So in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So for this, here we use the nice cubic formula, and we know about that. So here we apply this cubic formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, we just simplified this equation as, but first we rewrite this term as, this is x cubed minus, here you see that we need to take the exponent of 16 is 3. For this we multiply and divide 16 by the exponent of 16 by 3. So it will be written as cube root of 16 into whole cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we apply here this nice cubic formula here, so this will be written as x minus cube root of 16 into the second factor is we have x square plus x times of cube root of 16 into cube root of 16 and its whole square, and this is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus cube root of 16 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus this will becomes cube root of 16 times of x plus, from here we have cube root of 16 and its whole square, and this is equals to 0. From this case we easily get the value of x is equals to cube root of 16. So this is the second root of the given equation. So in order to get the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So for this, we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to cube root of 16, and c is equals to uh, cube root of 16 and its whole square. And now we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So further in the next step, we need more simplifications here to get the other roots of this equation. So we have x is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is cube root of 16, so this will be written as minus cube root of 16 plus minus square root of b square, the value of b is cube root of 16 and it will be written as cube root of 16 and its whole square minus, this is 4 times of a is 1 and c is cube root of 16 and its whole square, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications inside the square root sign, and we have x is equals to minus cube root of 16 plus minus square root of here you see that inside the square root sign we have cube root of 16 be the common term, so that we will be take common cube root of 16 and its whole square, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get 1 minus, from here we get 4 only, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step we need more simplifications here, so this will be written as in this form. We have, this is minus cube root of 16 plus minus, here when we apply this square root sign separately on both of these two values, so this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining value are cube root of 16 into square root of 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3 and it is divided by 2. So further we have x is equals to minus cube root of 16 plus minus cube root of 16, and here you see that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, so this will becomes iota, and we get square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So we write this into the more simplified form. For this we take common cube root of 16 here, and we get the remaining values are cube root of 16 into, from here we get minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and the other two real roots are x is equals to 0 and x is equals to cube root of 16. So these are the total 4 roots of the given equation which we get here in this method. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.